Hello and welcome to 4.3. Here are the solutions for 4.2 as always. You had to do a little bit of elimination here, 19 and 20, going back to system. So hopefully 7.4, 7.3 from algebra, you pick that up there. If not, that's how you do it. You can always ask me for questions on that. And then you had a couple proofs. Here you had some vertical angles, you had some third angles theorem, and then the triangles were congruent. So that was kind of like the one I did in the video from yesterday, but a little bit different. And then here's the third angles theorem. Like I said, it's kind of a fun proof. I like this one a lot. Basically, it's triangle sum and substitution and subtraction. It looks pretty intense, but it's actually really, really straightforward. So if you didn't get this one, make sure you ask me for help. It's kind of a fun proof. And then we're getting into 4.3, prove triangles congruent by side, side, side. So we're going to learn a couple shortcuts over the next couple lessons. The first one is side, side, side. So basically, how this works is if I give you guys 3 side lengths, and I can explain this a little bit more in class. Basically, what happens is if I have 3 side lengths congruent to 3 other side lengths, and I try to form a triangle, there's only one triangle that you can possibly make using it. So if I kind of put these together and I make a triangle with these side lengths here, and like I said, it'll make a little more sense. So obviously you can see that these 2 triangles they're not the same, but I'm going to group them together here. And then what you can do is I believe I got to flip this one. So you may have to flip it or rotate it, but I should be able to match these 2 triangles up. They should be the same. Okay, so there you go. They're identical. So basically what I'm trying to show you guys is if I give you guys 3 set side lengths, then they're congruent. There's only one possible triangle that you can possibly make. And we'll talk a little bit more about this in class. I can do a demonstration. And this is a postulate. We're not going to be proving this. So if 3 side lengths of one triangle are congruent to 3 side lengths of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. So this saves us a lot of time because now we don't have to bother with the angles like we did yesterday. So this is our first shortcut. And then here's your homework. Again, there's really not a lot to this lesson. Yeah. This is constructing. We're probably not going to do that. We might do that in class. But here's your assignment. It's really straightforward. Thanks guys for tuning in to one of our shortest lessons we've had. Also, I just edited 25 and 27. I have to skip unless you want challenge proofs. These are a little more tricky than the 24 and 26 proofs. So if you want a little bit of a challenge on some of your proofs, give those a try. Thanks.